Happy Diwali. So technically Diwali was yesterday on. I mean, I think in India at least Diwali is celebrated like for 5 days and all that. So it's fine. Like my parents are also like bursting like some crackers today. So technically Diwali is every day. Today I went out with my friends and we celebrated Halloween. So today is time for Diwali, okay? So I'm just getting ready to go to my friend's place. I'm going a little early because I'm gonna help with food and everything. Just doing my everyday makeup. It's not even that good. Like just some little lipstick and lip balm and that's it. Okay. I am taking so many like clothing options because I didn't get like proper like kurtas or anything, so I'm just taking stuff. So let's see, I hope I can find like an outfit. Like, I'm taking a lot of options, so I hope it's okay. So I'm ready to go now. So I'm just wearing this. It's a very like a, I feel like this is a little Indian-y, but not that Indian-y. It is really cold outside, so I am scared, but whatever. I'm gonna go get Coke because my friend asked me to get Coke, and then I'm gonna go to her place. This is the fit. It's anything, honestly. Like, what am I even wearing? But okay, it turns out I'm not getting the Coke. I will see if there are any stores near her place, but I'm not going to the place like to the store that's near to me because I think that would take more time or something. I don't know. I'm lazy. So I am kind of late. So I'm just gonna go to her place, like near her place, and I'm gonna look for like stores there. And now I'm waiting for the bus. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. It is cold today. Stay up, I feel didn't take your what? Playlist. That is fine. Oh, this is Spotify. I use Amazon Prime because the ads really annoy me. अच्छा. ह्याच्यात तुला का? Yeah. Has been made. The artist and the art. It's not.